Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Stars and Buzz. This is day 13 of my 100 days English speaking challenge journey. Today we'll see one AI tool that is Claude AI and we also see its features. Claude is an AI assistant developed by a company called Anthropic. Just like other AI tools, it is also can understand human language and respond in a natural way. But Claude is designed with a special forms and safety, reasoning, and a helpfulness. So, what can Claude actually do? First, Claude is very good at understanding long and complex information. It can read long documents, summarize them, and explain difficult topics in simple words. This makes it useful for students, researchers, and professionals. Second, Claude has strong reasoning abilities. It does not just give quick answers, it tries to think step by step. This helps in problem solving, logical questions, and decision making. The another important feature of Claude is the ability to help with coding and technical tasks. Developers use Claude to write code, debug errors, and understand complex programs. Claude is also known for its ethical and responsible design. As AI becomes more powerful, there is a risk of misuse, right? So the Claude is trained to avoid harmful content and follow human values. This shows that technology can grow without losing responsibilities. Finally, the Claude can work across many fields like education, finance, law, and customer support. It is not just a chatbot, it's a becoming a digital assistant for real world work. The Claude is an example of how AI is evolving, not just to be smarter but also safer and human centered. This is all about this video. Thank you. We'll meet in our next video.